This is the ravine. This is where I originally got the fuck? Yeah, probably nothing. So, yeah, it's also, I have this guy, but I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know why the fuck he's immortal. So, bro thinks he's the immortal demon. Flame Frags is not chopped ass motherfucker. Worst unstable SMP protagonist. What else did I want to share? What the fuck? Mate, what the fuck are you doing? Yeah, of course I fucking broke it. What the fuck? Oh, I forgot about that. Bullshit. So, a few days ago, actually, a creeper exploded like somewhere around here. What the fuck was that? You guys heard that? Yo, I look in never died. Bro. What the fuck is in this world? Gosh, this shit is corrupt. So, bye.